Best Padel Rackets. Are you looking for the best Padel rackets? In this video we will look at some of the best Padel rackets on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Adidas Adipower Control 3.2. The Adidas Adipower Padel Racket Paddle Series is designed for players of all levels who want to combine power, precision, and comfort in every shot. Crafted with premium carbon fiber frame construction and a fiberglass surface, this paddle delivers the perfect balance of strength and responsiveness for intense padel matches. Weighing only 365 grams, it offers excellent maneuverability, making it ideal for both attacking shots and controlled defensive play. Featuring an ergonomic 3 5/8" grip size, the Adipower paddle ensures a comfortable and secure hold, reducing hand fatigue during long matches. The innovative 3.3 multi-weight design allows players to enjoy a well-distributed balance for enhanced stability and accuracy. The unique black and orange color combination gives it a bold, modern look that stands out on the court. Engineered with multi-weight customization, this paddle adapts to different playing styles, providing versatility whether you prefer aggressive smashes or tactical placement shots. Its durable construction withstands intense play while maintaining excellent performance over time. Perfect for beginners, intermediates, and advanced players, the Adidas Adipower Padel Racket is a reliable choice for anyone who values power, control, and premium craftsmanship. Whether you're training, competing, or playing for fun, this paddle offers the edge you need to elevate your game. Step onto the court with confidence and style, experience the Adidas Adipower Padel Racket Paddle Series and unleash your full potential. Number 2. Head Graphene 360 Plus Alpha Touch. Take your padel game to the next level with the Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel/Pop Tennis Paddle Series, designed for players seeking power, control, and comfort in every swing. Featuring advanced Graphene 360 Plus technology, this paddle combines optimized energy transfer with improved flex for a cleaner, more responsive impact. Perfect for beginner to intermediate players, it provides a forgiving sweet spot while still delivering precision on decisive shots. Weighing 365 grams and crafted with a durable polyurethane frame and grip, this paddle offers lightweight handling without sacrificing stability. The 4.25-inch grip size ensures a comfortable and secure hold, reducing vibrations and allowing for longer play with less strain. Whether you choose the Alpha, Elite/Pro, or Delta, Elite/Hybrid, with CB model, you'll experience superior performance tailored to your style of play. The Alpha series is built for players looking for versatility and control, while the Delta series caters to those who prefer powerful, aggressive shots. With a balanced design and reliable durability, these paddles are excellent companions for competitive matches or casual play. Finished in a sleek, professional design, the Head Graphene 360 Plus Padel Paddle Series not only enhances your performance but also brings confidence and style to the court. Ideal for adults entering the game or refining their skills, it's the perfect blend of cutting-edge technology and user-friendly design. Elevate your padel experience with Head's Graphene 360 Plus Paddle Series, a trusted choice for players worldwide. Number 3. Noxit 10 Genius Attack 18K. Unleash your full potential on the court with the Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket, designed for advanced players who demand explosive power and precision. Inspired by world champion Juan LeBron, this high-performance racket combines cutting-edge carbon fiber construction with a bold, professional design in red, black, and silver. Built with a carbon fiber frame and shaft, the Technical Viper delivers maximum stiffness and responsiveness, giving you the control needed for fast-paced rallies and aggressive smashes. Weighing just 365 grams, it provides an excellent balance between maneuverability and stability, allowing you to react quickly without compromising power. The standard grip size ensures a comfortable, secure hold so you can focus fully on your game. The Technical Viper is engineered with an optimized diamond-shaped head, offering an expanded sweet spot that enhances accuracy while maintaining raw hitting strength. This makes it the perfect choice for advanced players who rely on tactical placement, spin, and high-impact shots to dominate opponents. Endorsed by one of the sport's top athletes, this racket represents the ultimate combination of innovation, craftsmanship, and performance. Whether you're competing in tournaments or training at a high level, the Babolat Technical Viper gives you the tools to play with confidence and authority. Step onto the court with the Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Edition, a racket built for champions who play with passion and precision. Number 4. Babolat Technical Viper. The Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket is a top-tier paddle engineered for advanced players who demand precision, explosive power, and superior control. Designed in collaboration with world champion 1 LeBron, this racket is built to perform at the highest level, giving you the edge in competitive play. Its bold red, black, and silver design reflects both style and strength, making it a standout choice on any court. Constructed entirely from premium carbon fiber, including the frame and shaft, the Technical Viper offers unmatched stiffness and responsiveness. At 365 grams, it strikes the perfect balance between maneuverability and stability, allowing players to execute aggressive smashes while maintaining control during fast exchanges. The diamond-shaped head enhances shot accuracy and provides a powerful sweet spot, ideal for tactical players who thrive on precision and spin. The standard grip size ensures a comfortable, secure hold, reducing hand fatigue during long matches and giving players confidence with every swing. This racket is specifically crafted for advanced adult players who want to elevate their game with professional-level equipment. With its innovative construction, sleek aesthetics, and championship pedigree, the Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Edition represents the ultimate fusion of technology and performance. Whether you're competing at the highest levels or striving to take your padel skills further, this racket delivers the explosive power and accuracy needed to dominate the game. Play like a champion, choose the Babolat Technical Viper 1 LeBron Padel Racket and experience the difference. Number 5. Bullpadel Vertex 04. The Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 is a professional-grade padel racket built for players who demand both maximum power and superior control. Designed with a diamond-shaped head, this racket is perfect for offensive players who thrive on explosive smashes while maintaining accuracy and consistency in every shot. Crafted with Sten Carbon 12K on the surface and a multi-EVA core, the Vertex 04 delivers optimal performance with every swing. The carbon fiber frame and shaft ensure exceptional durability, while innovative curvative and air power frame technology provide enhanced stability and energy transfer, giving you more precision and efficiency in fast-paced rallies. Weighing only 0.3 kilograms, this racket offers excellent maneuverability, allowing quick reactions without compromising strength. The integrated vibradrive system minimizes vibrations, reducing arm fatigue and improving comfort during long, intense matches. With its all-skill level versatility, the Vertex 04 adapts to both competitive and aspiring players, making it a reliable choice for anyone serious about padel. Finished in a bold and modern design, the Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025 represents the latest in racket innovation, combining cutting-edge technology with premium materials. Whether you're competing at a professional level or training to sharpen your skills, this racket gives you the advantage to dominate on the court. Step up your game with the Bullpadel Vertex 04 2025, a powerful, precise, and durable padel racket trusted by top players worldwide.